Good day everyone. In this video, we will discuss about what makes communication as an inclusive task.
But before that, how do we define communication?
Communication, the imparting or exchanging of information or news. So communication is the way to give or receive information. It consists of the sender and the receiver. The sender is the one who gives information while the receiver is the one who listens or receives the information or message. It can be done interpersonal or one person, interpersonal, two persons, and public, one person to a group of people. Thus, what makes communication an inclusive task?
Inclusive communication is an approach that seeks to create a supportive and effective communication environment. So, using every available means of communication is to understand and to be understood.
As said earlier, communication is done every day. Communication is very important in all aspects, business, education, etc. And through inclusive communication, we can communicate with other nationalities or race. Communication provides understanding to everybody to avoid communication barriers or breakdowns. So it is safe to say that communication is very flexible and varies in all aspects.
So, it's safe to say that communication is a vital part of our daily lives because through communication, we can converse with other people and learn new things.
That is all